Good morning, good day, or good afternoon, whatever you want. Today I got my Ruger Precision rimfire and 22 long rifle out here. Got the Vortex Strike Eagle with an IBI barrel on it. And today I'm going to see how far I can take it out. I've got a 4-inch gong. We're going to start at 25 and work our way out in 25-yard increments. I just got this gun sighted in last week, so I've got less than 50 rounds through this setup with the scope and the barrel. Trying out the MDT SkyPod today. I'll be shooting RWS target rifle, 40 grain. That's what I have found has worked best so far through this barrel. So let's give it a shot. So we're set up here at the 25 yards. I think I'm going to do 3-shot groups until we get out to distance, and then we're going to try to maybe go to 5 rounds. But we'll start with 2 anyway. Like I said, I've just sighted this in at 50, so we're starting at 25 and working our way out to, I would like to try 350, 400 yards today, but we're going out in 25-yard increments. So here's the first shot. It's at 25 yards. Didn't even load one there. There we are, 3 shots, right where I want them. So we'll move that target back to 50 yards and we'll meet you back here. We've moved the plate back to 50 yards now. It's got a fresh coat of paint. So we should be hitting dead on with this here. Oh, there we are. Shots in the exact same spot I put the last 3. So we'll move that back out to 75, throw a little bit more paint on it, and try to get some dope. So we're moved back out to 75 yards now. Just parallax. And I should have a 0.6 or 0.7 mil drop. Yeah, with my last barrel and a different scope and similar ammo, when it was a little warmer out, I was 0.7 mil. So yeah, last August, again, different scope, but this barrel, this ammo, 75 was 0.8. So I'm probably going to dial 0.7 and we'll see from there. 5, 6, 7. And we'll try for 3 more shots at 75 yards. On my zoom, I've kept it about 13 magnification the whole time, and I'm just bumping up the parallax every time we move. So let's see what we can do here at 75. So there was one low flyer. Coming on up to it. That was me. The plate was swinging a little bit and I pulled a little lower holding than I should have. So I'm going to call that 0.7 is actually pretty good. I could probably dial it down another 0.1 and call it 0.6, which I think I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to dial down one more. So 0.6, and I've got one bullet left in this magazine, so I might as well shoot it. I'm going to hold right, not right on the right edge, but on the right portion of the plate where it's fresh. Okay, and I still went left a little bit, but still, that windage dialed out pretty level, so I'm going to call that 0.6. And now we'll move it back to 100 yards and keep working our way out there. Backed out to 100 yards, fresh paint on the plate. I know through the spotting scope it doesn't look like it. Sorry, there's nothing I can do about that. Setting the parallax to 100 yards. I'm going to do a 1.6 mil hold or dial on this one. So 5.6. Not going to hold anything or dial anything for wind yet, so we'll see where we're at on this plate at 100 yards. Gotta zoom in, I can't see. Okay. Looks like I'm hitting about 0.3, 0.4 left of point of aim. Yeah, 0.4. Send more. So that's not bad. Those last three are pretty much in the same spot. Top two left aren't bad, so I am happy with that 1.6 and 0.3. It's not bad. So I'll get that written down in the book so I remember that for next time or have something to go off of. We're backed out here to 125 yards now. I think I'm going to try a 2.5, 2.6 mil hold up or dial. 2.5, 0.6. Then looks like my 2.6 is about 0.1 mil low. Dial that up to 2.7. My 0.5 mil wind call. It's about spot on. I'll send a couple more. We're backed out to 150 yards now. I'm going to go with a 3.7. No, 3.8. 5, 6, 7, 8. In. Shaky. my elevation's good. I'm on the right edge of the plate, so I'm going to hold 1/2 mil wind instead. Yeah, okay. Ooh, I missed on that one. Don't know what happened there. Yeah, so I looked maybe 10th low, 3.8, 3.9. I'll still hold 1/2 mil wind. Just wanted to pause here for a second to say that the wind was actually picking up pretty bad. I do have the rest all recorded for this, but I did only end up getting out to 250 yards. So I'm just going to play that last clip of 250 yards, and because the wind was picking up, the spotting scope camera was very shaky and very miragey, so I'm not going to bother posting that in here. But I will take a picture, or I do have the picture of the 4-inch target from 250. I will post that in the end here. Dialed it back to 9.7. I'm hitting the 10-inch gong, so just loaded up another 10, and I'm going to try to hit the 4-inch. I've got the cameras rolling again. So this is still trial and error. The wind has started to pick up now as well, so hopefully I can get this done before it gets too windy. The wind is just too up and down, it's throwing them all over. I think that was an impact. Alright, well, I heard an impact on that at 250 yards. This is my first time going out to distance with the 22 this spring. So I think that's pretty good, especially with it being the first time I'm shooting this configuration of this rifle. Like I said, I've shot this IBI already with a different scope on it. I had a Diamondback Tactical on it. I've got the Vortex Strike Eagle 5-25x56 on it now. This MDT Skypod, I haven't played with it too much, but so far it's pretty good. Better than the Amazon Special I had on here before, but I had that one on for 2 years and it did pretty good. No complaints with it. I just wanted to do one of these. So I think for the start of the year, I think that's pretty good. There's a match coming up at the end of the month. That match only goes out to 100 yards. but PRS style. So I think I will be ready for that. I've got some dope, something to go off of. So hopefully I can get out a few more times over days off and try to get this thing out to 350. I've got it marked down in my dope book out to 350, but no data on it. So that's going to be a problem. I'm going to have to get that filled in. Alrighty, well, I'm probably going to get this edited. Give me a break on my editing. I'm not an editor, not a video guy. I'm trying something. I'm getting better, I think, with every video. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to critique me in any way, leave a comment, good or bad, don't really care. And if you want to see more of this stuff, give it a follow. I am doing a couple rifle builds here coming up. I've got some parts already and parts on the way. So I'll be doing a Voodoo V22 360 and a Brigera B14 300 PRC. So if you want to see some of that stuff, subscribe. And if you got any other ideas on what I should do or try or build, let me know. Thanks for watching.